Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to record a video but you felt stuck? Well, unless you're superhuman, most of us have felt that way. Or maybe you spent hours filming but the final video just didn't look and sound the way that you wanted. I get it. It can be incredibly frustrating. I'm Sarah from Blue Lotus Films. I'm a video producer and video marketing coach. I've created hundreds of videos for social media, but I still occasionally feel unmotivated or I just don't like the way that my final videos turn out. So what if I told you that there's a way to get a personal video coach right inside your camera, giving you live feedback on everything from your confidence on camera to your lighting? So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with Gemini Live. Gemini Live is an incredibly useful feature that Google released recently, and it allows you to use your camera to see your surroundings, and it provides real-time feedback as if a person was by your side. So I'll be using it today as my personal video coach in real time, and you'll get a front row seat. So grab your popcorn. We'll use it to overcome those creative blocks and build confidence before we even start. After that, we'll tackle a common challenge, making sure my lighting and audio are top notch. I'm going to simulate some scenarios for you. So be sure to stick around because I'm really curious if Gemini can change up my video background. I've been wanting to change it up, and I want to see if Gemini Live has any suggestions to transform my background into something more appealing that fits my brand. So by the end of the demo, you'll see how Gemini Live can help you create professional looking videos with confidence that you'll be proud to release. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so I have my phone right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up Gemini Live, and then we're going to ask it our first question. We've got to click on the camera icon and then switch over and flip the camera so you're talking to Gemini. Now it can hear everything that I'm saying. So, hi, how are you today, Gemini?
Hi there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm ready to help you with anything you need. What's on your mind today?
Great. So remember we talked about creating a YouTube video to help people learn how to use Gemini Live as their personal video coach? Well, I'm on camera right now and I want to show my viewers how we can do this together. I feel a little unmotivated. I don't want to record my video today. Can you help me get motivated to record this video?
I hear you. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. But think about how great it will feel to have that video done and out there helping people. Maybe try breaking it down into smaller steps, like just writing the intro or practicing a few lines. You've got this.
Thank you so much. That just gave me a confidence boost. And that's exactly what I would tell all of my clients, to just imagine being of service, that so many people need the information you want to share. Okay, so the next step, I really think I need to test out my audio. So how can you help me test out my audio today?
Okay, to test your audio, you can try recording a short clip with your microphone and playing it back to check the sound level and clarity. You might also want to try adjusting your microphone settings or moving it closer or further away from your mouth to see what sounds best. When using a microphone, it's generally best to keep it a consistent distance from your mouth, about 6 to 8 inches away. You'll also want to speak clearly and at a moderate volume. If you're using a directional microphone, make sure it's pointed towards your mouth.
Okay, wonderful. All right, so I've got my microphone on me right now. Do you think I need to play back the clip and test the audio levels, see if the audio levels are not peaking too high, so to be sure that the sound is not getting distorted? Would that be a good idea?
Yes, that's a great idea. Playing back the clip will let you hear if the levels are too high and causing distortion. You can then adjust your microphone or speaking volume as needed.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Okay, so now I want to adjust the lighting. I have a softbox light and an LED light, and I've closed all the window shades because with the natural light, it's too much light coming in, casting shadows on the wall, as well as creating a glare in my glasses. Do you have any suggestions for adjusting my lighting so I don't get this glare in my glasses anymore?
Okay, to reduce glare, try raising your softbox and LED lights higher than your head and angling them downwards. You could also try moving them further away or diffusing the light more. Does that help?
Yes, that helps a lot. I'm going to try raising up the softbox so it's not glaring into my glasses, making a harsh reflection. So I will try that right now and be right back. Thank you so much.
Great. Let me know how it looks.
Okay, so the lighting looks a little bit better. I'll keep adjusting it. But let's move on. I want to see if you have any suggestions for changing up my video background. I think it's just a little too simplistic. I want something that's a little bit more engaging, vibrant, etc. I want it to match my brand, which is Blue Lotus Films. Do you have any suggestions for me on how to transform this background?
Okay, you could add some depth and visual interest by hanging a tapestry or artwork that reflects the Blue Lotus Films aesthetic. Another idea is to use plants to bring in some natural elements. If you want something more dynamic, consider using colored lighting to create a vibrant backdrop. Do any of those ideas spark your interest?
Yeah, those are some good ideas. I'm not a big fan of tapestries because I think they can look a little bit messy. But I like the idea of bringing in plants, and LED lights are okay. I just don't want to overdo it. Do you have any other suggestions for me?
Okay, you could add some floating shelves with decorative items that match your brand's aesthetic. Or you could create a gallery wall with framed posters or artwork. Do either of those ideas interest you?
Yeah, they do. I like the idea of having floating shelves. I think I'll think about that a little bit more. Thank you so much for the suggestions. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked the floating shelves idea. Let me know if you want to explore more options for your video background.
And there you have it, a full walkthrough of how I use Gemini Live as my personal video coach. So I hope this demo showed you just how powerful Gemini Live is for anyone who wants to create better videos without the guesswork. So there's no more worrying about how you look or sound or if your setup is right. This tool puts the control back in your hands, and of course you can still use YouTube videos and tutorials. You also might want a human video coach because that's going to give you so much more, from your video strategy, analyzing your social media channels, as well as helping you share your authentic story. So if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video content and video production tips. And please let me know in the comments, which feature are you excited to try out? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.